Greetings to all my student. Chapter 1 Introduction to Computers. Electronic machines. We use electronic machines in our day-to-day life. Some of the machines we use are television, mobile phones, air conditioner. Let us learn about one more electronic machine, that is computer. Computer is an electronic machine. Computer helps us to watch movies, draw pictures, send messages, and solve sums. Apart from this, computer also helps us do many other things. What a computer does. A computer works very fast. A computer works continuously. A computer never makes mistakes. A computer can do many things at the same time. Difference between humans and computers. Humans need rest. Yes, this is true. We need rest. We need to sleep at night. We need to take rest from time to time. But a computer does not need to take rest. It can work continuously for many hours, for many days, or many years. Humans have emotions and feelings. If someone scolds you, you feel bad or you cry. And if someone appreciates you, you feel happy. These are all the feelings and emotions that humans have, but computer does not have any feelings or emotions. Next one, humans can think and take decision. We have mind, we can think, we can take decision whether if something is right or wrong. We can take decision that if this is the time to play or is this the time to study. But a computer cannot take decision. A computer cannot think. The next one is humans make mistake. Yes, this is true. We all make mistakes. We all use eraser while writing because we make small mistakes. Apart from this, we make many other mistakes, and that is why humans make mistake. But computer is a machine and it does not make mistake. Humans are slow in doing calculations. We need a paper, we need a pen, we need to write the sums and then we solve them. We are slow in doing calculation, we need some time. But any calculation that you give to a computer, it will solve it in a second. Moving on to our next topic. That is, how does a computer work? A computer cannot work on its own. Then how does it work? A computer works in 3 steps. Step number 1 is input, step number 2 is output, and step number 3 is processing. Let us understand it with the help of an example. Process of toasting a bread. While toasting a bread, we need to give an input. There is a process that happens in the toaster and we get the output. Your bread is the input that we put into the toaster. The bread is toasted and then we get the toasted bread as the output. Now let us take another example. Process of addition of two numbers. If we give computer the instruction to add two numbers 5 and 4, the input that we give to the computer would be considered as 5 plus 4 and the output that we get would be 9, and plus is the operation that the computer will do, hence that is the process. Here the computer carries out the operation of addition, so the process is the addition. On to our next topic, parts of computer. Monitor, keyboard, CPU. Other devices connected to computer. Printer. Any kind of document or any kind of photograph that you have in a computer and want it to get printed on a piece of paper, the printer helps you to print it. Number 2, speaker. The speaker helps you to listen to the audio. Scanner. Any kind of document or photograph that you have in a paper and want to see it in your computer or laptop, the scanner helps you to insert that document or photograph into your computer. UPS, uninterrupted power supply. Sometimes when the power supply goes off, all our electronic appliances automatically get switched off. UPS helps us to prevent that. If any electronic device is connected to UPS, then at After the power supply is cut off for some time, that electronic device is turned on only. Types of computer. Desktop computer. This is a desktop computer. It has a monitor, a mouse, a keyboard, a CPU. It is kept on a table. It is heavy in weight. It cannot be easily shifted from one place to another and hence it is not portable. Types of computer. Laptop computer. This is a laptop computer. It has a monitor. It has a mouse. It has a keyboard, a CPU. It has inbuilt speaker, hence there is no need to connect external speakers. It is lightweight. It is portable so you can carry it from one place to another. Types of computer. Mobile phones and tablets. Tablet and smartphone computers are touchscreen computers. You can access them by touching on the screen using a finger or stylus. They are portable and can be easily carried in a bag or pocket. Thank you.